There is no job too big for sawdust tree experts and contract climbing. We offer each of our customers quality and affordable service. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We specialize in tree trimming, tree removal, tree treatment packages, stump grinding, stump removal, brush hauling, and contract climbing. We also offer free consultations and quotes. Call us now for all of your tree, contract, and climbing needs. Our clients are like family. Call us today at 405 555 5555.
I was about to be on my way to work when I noticed some tree limbs blocking me in from the storm last night.
And because of the time, I knew there was only one company I could call.
With free on the spot consultations in case of emergency, I was able to get to work on time.
Call Sawdust Tree Experts today. Sawdust Tree Experts brings you quality service and affordable prices, offering tree trimming and removals, stump grinding removal, brush removal, and contract climbing. Sawdust Tree Experts is always on call 24/7. Call now.
C4 Alpha, take two. Action.
Scene 3 Delta, take 1. Scene 3 Delta, take 1. Mark. Action.
Oh yes, we're just gonna be treating this tree for nutrients and get the ants out of it, stuff like that.
Scene 3 Delta, take 2. Mark. Action.
Oh yes, we're just gonna be treating this tree today for ants and fungus.
Yeah, because it's a lot of fungus.
Scene 4 Alpha, take 1. Mark. Action. Cut. Andy. Okay, you're perfect. Scene 3C. Scene 3 Charlie, take 2. Mark.
Hey,
Action.
how are you doing? Hi. Hi, I was calling because I was calling specifically about this tree. Like, it's pretty young, but I want to save it. It looks like it has a little bit of stuff going on. Is that something you'd be able to take care of for me? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Scene 3C. Scene 3 Charlie, take 1. Mark. Action.
Oh, hey. Hey, I'm Andy. I was wanting to see if you could help me treat this tree. I don't really want to like actually remove it. It's pretty young, but it looks like it has something growing. Is there anything that you can do to kind of take care of that for me?
Cut. Scene 3B, take 2. Mark. And action. Scene 3B, take 1. Action. Scene 2 Alpha, take 2. Mark. And Sawdust gets a phone call. He answers.
Hello, this is Sawdust Tree Expert.
Yes, yes. I was wanting to see if I could get a tree removed.
Oh yes, we'll come over right now.
Okay.
All right,
Smile and nod.
all right, let's see you soon. All right, bye bye.
You made that
Cut.
quick.